Hello, everyone. My name is Ricardo Bustamante. I'm the Senior Program Coordinator and Work Study Officer at Community Impact at Columbia University. We're going to present to you the work study opportunities for Teachers College graduate students for the academic year 2020-21. Let me begin by explaining a little bit what Community Impact is and how we intersect with Teachers College. We are a non-profit organization in our own rights, but we are a department of the university. For Teachers College, we are an off-campus employer. We provide different social services for the community. And in this presentation, you will learn those positions that are keen for TC students. Just note that all these positions are going to be done remotely until further notice following Columbia University guidelines. Our areas of service are elementary school education that is not open for TC this year, emergency food programs and health programs, but the more important ones are adult education programs, and you'll hear about them right away.
Great, so our GEEP adult education programs are listed on the screen here. We have ESOL, English for Speakers of Other Languages, TASC, which is a high school equivalency program. We have some satellite classes, cafe prep program, which you'll hear more about, social services, case managers, and job road and college road. So one of the positions within the ESOL program is a teacher volunteer coordinator. It's basically what it says in the title. So this person would be responsible for the recruitment of teachers, scheduling them, placing them in their correct class. We run mostly based on the support of volunteer teachers. So it's really important that you provide administrative support and the person has strong organizational skills and is interested in education of a diverse population.
All right.
And the next one is a volunteer teacher trainer. So this one would work very closely with the volunteer coordinator. They would basically be providing the training to the teachers. So letting them know the different components of a lesson, helping with Zoom training, going through curriculum with them and lesson planning, just to make sure that what the students are learning is what the curriculum that the program requires. So for TASC, TASC stands for Test Assessing Secondary Completion. It's basically the GED. It replaced the GED test in New York State. So students are preparing to take this test to earn their high school equivalency diploma. We also, similar to the ESOL program, run with volunteer teachers. So it's the same recruiting teachers, training teachers, and providing them administrative support, feedback, observing their classes, making sure that everything's okay. Same thing, qualifications, excellent administrative skills, and good with technology, and able to just work with teachers and interested in education and adult education. College Road. So College Road ties into the TASC program a little bit. After our students earn their high school equivalency diploma, we are looking for counselors who can help them in their next steps in applying to college, applying for financial aid, researching what the next step is for them, making sure that they have all the tools and resources that they need for going to college, which a lot of them choose to do.
All right, the next one is Cafe Prep. And Cafe Prep is a dual enrollment program where the participants pursue culinary arts vocational training with the goal of successful job placement. And at the same time, they're also taking either English as a second language or trying to complete their TASC high school equivalency. So this is a really multi-dimensional project There's some off-site work, there's job development, and the whole team works together. It's very interdisciplinary. And so some of the qualifications are similar to the others. Interest in adult education and good experience with coordination of a multifaceted program. Job and workforce development is a big emphasis, and it's great if the person also has some integrated food service experience to go along with that. And social services and the support of case managers, who you'll see in another slide, are another part of this. All right, so task teacher at satellite programs is an extension of the task program that you already heard described. However, these are exclusively at locations in the community, and these instructors are generally students, for example, Teachers College students who have experience and interest in adult or high school level education. These are people pursuing, your participants will be people pursuing their high school equivalencies at some of our partner organizations in the community in Upper Manhattan. Social services programs, case managers are part of every part of community impact internally and also externally facing to the community. So this is a position for motivated, extroverted case managers, people with an interest in social service. So you do not have to be a graduate student in the School of Social Work. We have some great Teachers College social services case managers, because what they're doing is shepherding out and supporting our learners through the English for speakers of other languages and TASC programs, all the way through with ultimately through employment or college road and on from there. Workforce development is also an integrated part of all of the programs and other jobs that we've already mentioned. So these coordinators pull together TASC students, ESOL students, and graduates who are pursuing either improved employment or trying to find employment, and they stay in touch with the academic programs and the case managers, etc., to make sure that they're combining their efforts. So it's very important that the candidates have an interest in adult learning and workforce development.
All right, so you heard from Sharon Rios, the task manager, and Adam Nathanson, the manager for the Job Road, College Road, and Cafe Prep programs. The way to apply for these positions, you please send your copy of your resume and a cover letter to Sandy Helen, sh18@columbia.edu, and Ricardo Bustamante, that's me, rab2232@columbia.edu, and make sure you submit an application in the Human Resources webpage of Teachers College. Thank you so much for your interest in working with community impact and helping us serve their community since 1984. Hope to see you soon, and goodbye.